Solzhenitsyn calls the Gulag archipelago a popular place that nobody knows. It's here's how you get there. You can't buy a ticket to go there. Here's how you get there. Arrest. Need it be said that it is a breaking point in your life, a bolt of lightning which has scored a direct hit on you? That it is an unassimilable spiritual earthquake not every person can cope with, as a result of which people often slip into insanity. He goes on to say, the universe has as many different centers as there are living beings in it. Each of us is a center of the universe, and that universe is shattered when they hiss at you. You are under arrest. And one thing that we notice here in the way that Solzhenitsyn is setting up his work, you have a very individual versus collective feel going on here. Just think of here, and this is page 3, you think of here the idea of they hiss at you, the collective hisses at you. You are under arrest. The individual who dares dissent, who dares disagree. And so that's one theme I think we'll see as we go throughout the rest of the book. Now I read and like I said, there's just so much in this that disturbed me. On page 5, he's talking about this when they come in and the arrest happens, the victim's been taken away. He says it's an alien, brutal, and crushing force totally dominating the apartment for hours on end, a breaking, ripping open, pulling from the walls, emptying things from wardrobes and desks onto the floor, shaking, dumping out and ripping apart, pulling up mountains of litter on the floor, and the crunch of things being trampled beneath jack boots. And nothing is sacred in a search. During the arrest of the locomotive engineer, Inoshin, a tiny coffin stood in his room containing the body of his newly dead child. The jurists, that is those who came in to search, dumped the child's body out of the coffin and searched it. They shake sick people out of their sick beds, and they unwind bandages to search beneath them. That's pretty desperate. That's worse than an audit. That's really bad. And then on page 6 he says, they are searching for something which was never put there. They just want to find some reason to say, see, he's guilty. He needs to go to the Gulag.